Jai Hind everyone. My topic is India and China. I want to start with a quote. We can choose our friend, but we cannot choose our neighbor. So I will talk about four topics: history, dispute between India and China, and security concern, and global grouping. The global grouping. The India and China, uh, both two China, two ancient countries and rich culture and history. The both countries are the most populous country in the world and are the immense significance for regional and geopolitics. History in the history, ancient history, trade by the Silk Road and also spreading Buddhism by the Silk Road and connectivity between India and China by Silk Road. Many of the travelers and scholars had came to India for learning and traveling, like Yuan Song. And in World War II, India and China stood India China stood together against Japan Emperor and dispute between India and China. Dispute between India and China. There is many dispute India and China. Askaichin is located in Ladakh region of India that is captured and held by the China in the 1959. In the China crossed the border and built the road from Tibet to Xinjiang and across the border and came in the Aksai Chin and since held and that led to the war 1962. The significance of area and the leads the war and in the Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal the McMahon line drawn by the drawn during the 1940 Simla Convention between British India and Tibet representative. Uh, India is recognized, but China rejects and claims Tibet, South Arunachal Pradesh part of South Tibet, and after after that the global security concern Pakistan China Pakistan economic corridor passes through the Pakistan occupied Kashmir and challenging India territorial claim and also spring up in China studies pulse of esteem and alliance with the neighbor country like Nepal, Sri Lanka and influence Maldives and also China blocked the India permanent membership in the United Nations Security Council. After that, and China relationship with Russia is becoming better. Thereby, this is a disadvantage for India and the global gathering. Both countries are a prominent member of the global grouping like SCO, BRICS and G20. SCO, the key member of the SCO is India and China, and the primary focus on security, economics, and cultural cooperation. And BRICS are the India and China are both countries the leading economy in the BRICS. The primary focus on the BRICS promote multipolar order and reduce Western dominance in international and create a common currency for trade. And G20, the India and China prominent member, and also the focus on climate change, sustainable development, and economic challenges. The way forward. The way forward. The way forward. The both countries need to consistent dialogue to reduce border dispute and also balancing trade. India is working on reducing dependency on the China imports and promoting domestic manufacturing by the Atmanirbhar Bharat that makes India capable